Hi everyone, today we are going to show the demo of our software design project. It is basically a SaaS, which is a software as a service. We have hosted it in the website sundevil.cloudapp.net. So the select tenant page would be the default opening page. In this page, as you basically our SaaS is an online store where several companies can register as tenants and then they can sell their products discreetly. So it is a multi-tenant software. It supports the multi-tenancy architecture. As you can see, there are several tenants already registered under the software. You have Apple, ASU, Dell, Sony, etc. And then if you're a customer who wants to buy their products, you just have to register under them, and then you can log in as a customer and buy their products. If you're a tenant looking to become like Apple or Dell, you just have to register under our software. Click here to register. You will go to the tenant registration page, and then you will be listed as one of the tenants of our software. And also there is a tutorial of the implementation of our project. As you can see, it will be available when you click it there. And downloads, we have released our project under the GPL license, so that software engineers can use our project as base to develop their own softwares. So if someone agrees to the terms and condition of GPL license, they will be allowed to download the source code, the readme of the implementation of the project into the cloud, and then you will have the design of our project and the database that we used for our project. As you can see, this shows the already downloaded source code, shows the Sundevil web page, and we've used web role, and also we have the backup of the database. And this is the tutorial on how to deploy the .NET website into the Azure cloud. So this shows the documentation part of it, and then we also have the design of our implementation of the website. So basically all the architecture and so on, the database design, everything will be given in this document. So this is the database backup that the software engineers may use to investigate the working of our project. And then you have, coming back to our website, so in this SaaS already we have 5 registered tenants. So we'll show you how a new tenant can register and start his own website. So we'll click here and proceed. So you're a new tenant who wants to register here. Let's say this new tenant is, let's say, Samsung. So the organization name would be Samsung, and then we'll give some email ID, sam@sam.com. We'll give it as Sam. We'll give the password as Sam. We'll enter the details. We'll give some address. Okay, so once submitted, the tenant would be registered, so he can choose to log in now. So you have Sam is the new tenant for the company Samsung. So this Samsung company can first choose the workflows. We provide templates, so the tenant can choose to use one of the templates so that the design of his website is really fast. So let's say the tenant chooses workflow number 5 and selects the workflow. So readily the current workflow will be displayed, which is the workflow template 5. You can choose to edit the workflow. He can add some services if he wants. So we just copy pasting it to demonstrate that he can add services, new services that he desired to include in his web page. So that this checkout workflow is modified. Enter the sequence number, insert new web method. He can also choose to delete a service if he deems it unnecessary. So yeah, now he can change the sequence number, so and save changes. So this shows that he can customize his workflow as per his requirement. Now that after changing the sequence, discount is applied prior to getting the total, and we can change back if we want to. So this shows that. And going back to object, he can insert data for the object. So currently his company doesn't sell any computers. We can insert data for the computer. So yeah, he can choose to add a product, say Samsung, some model number V210, and then we'll have some price for it, tax, details of the products, discount he's going to offer, some image we can search and put Samsung laptop images. We'll get some image. We'll get the URL for that image. Okay, we'll just insert that. Okay, insert new field. Now the pretty much the tenant is ready to sell this product. So you can go to objects, you have user details, everything's ready. So let's just log out, and as a customer you can log in under Samsung now. So as you can see just now that Samsung was not in that list. However, once the registration is done for Samsung, it will appear among the other already existing tenants. So if you are a new user for Samsung, you just have to register. Say you are some Sam user with email and password given. So now if you want to log in, you just have to give Sam and Sam as the password, submit, and the product that we included already shown up in the web page, and now the user can choose to buy the product and so on. So this shows that a new tenant can simply create his web page in a matter of minutes. So let's go to investigating further customization of our workflows. Let's log in as under the Hue.